Good everyone, Les here from BG Trading. I hope you are well. Today is 18th of January 2024 and I'll be revisiting ZIP, which the SX code is ZIP. Once again, this is a stock that has been incredibly profitable for us. In the last trade we've done just early this year, we locked in almost 60%, 58% with half of our position, and then we just have recently add more as the chart formation looks very appealing. We're gonna go a little bit through the fundamentals of this company and the reasons why I'm very bullish about ZIP itself for 2024. Potentially, obviously, some headwinds along the way, but the overall macroeconomic scenario is favorable for companies like ZIP. Fundamentals are improving and the stock still trading for the long term at a reasonably fair price. So let's have a look. I just want to remind, this is not a financial advice, so make sure you do your own due diligence. This is just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategy, BGS20, to know when to buy and when to when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid buying stocks in the FOMO area and making one of the most common mistakes, how we apply stop losses when the trading goes the wrong way. Yes, we don't get right all the time. Sometimes the trade goes the wrong way. It's always a game of probability and very hard to pick up the bottoms and the tops, but we are pretty good looking to reversal opportunities. So that's what we do here. So if you like the way we trade, please share this video with someone that would be interested. Also, I would like to invite you look into our free Facebook community, buy, grow, sell strategy for share traders, and also our Facebook page, BG Trading. So take a look, like, follow us, and help us to build a even better community. Now let's go straight into the fundamentals. I'm not gonna go in very detail, but I'm going to tell you the key fundamental metrics that I'm looking at the moment and why I like ZIP. But obviously this is a combination of a multidimensional analysis, and that's what is that's why I like ZIP at the moment, because it's not just about the fundamental improving, but also about the market sentiment, the macroeconomics looking favorable for a stock, for growth stock like ZIP, and lastly the chart formation, the technical analysis itself. Okay, so now the goal is to achieve profitability by 2024. Now we are now 2024. The key is, okay, the company, will the company give us some signs that that's happening? Yes, in fact the company has been giving us some signs, and the first one is that the last quarter the company was profitable. Not December quarter, but September quarter was the first cash positive EBITDA for ZIP, with margins improving, growth obviously not growing as much as used to be, but into a way more sustainable pace. And that's exactly what shareholders are looking at in this particular stock at the moment, because the company is becoming indeed a sustainable company group across multiple businesses in different countries. Okay, so a strong quarterly revenue, or 31% up. That is, again, is September. I'm not talking about December. We haven't received the first half of FY24. That will be the biggest indication that we need to back up our position right there. But at the moment, yes, we are highly exposed to this particular stock once again. So US bad debt continues to perform well. Also, the company has enhanced its presence in online platforms, like partnering with Google, partnering with many travel companies as well, and that obviously helps in terms of transaction volume, helps to growth organically. Rather than actually doing acquisitions, which was the initial plan of Zip, acquiring a lot of businesses, becoming not sustainable and obviously going under. The company had a pretty tough time, but I think that is behind for now. The ability of the company to grow worldwide, as previously promised back in 2020 and 2019 and 2020, has rapidly diminished, but they streamline costs and now they are looking at becoming profitable. What I'm looking at is whether first half of FY24 will present itself a positive EBITDA, and what would be the net loss. I'm still thinking it's going to be a strong net loss, but what I'm expecting is a remarkable improvement for the net loss in the first half of FY23 and FY24. Now a big jump, a big leap towards profitability, and that's what the company is promising at the moment. So a lot of so-called analysts don't like this stock, but why people are reluctant about buying or selling? We are profiting quite substantially with this particular stock. As you can see here, I have a chart formation, the huge fall, but what I want to show you here is the share price swings are really high. Like, in fact, in July 2022, and we take this trade for over 100% profit, the stock has gone up 293%, almost 300% in terms of a share price swing. So offering a huge opportunity. So you need to make sure we track that right, and then obviously a few more opportunities along the way, and then it kept falling and broke out the resistance, the support level. And the reason I broke out the support level is because inflation was higher than expected, just money out of the sector altogether. But now things has been improving better than ever, and I think the overall outlook for 2024, it's very positive. In fact, I'm actually expecting Zip to cross $1 mark some stage. I still in the first half of 2024, if the results are in line and the results confirm the fact that Zip is still improving and going towards profitability by 2024. Okay, so I'm very positive about that, but I still need some confirmation. But while we're looking at a confirmation, we are trading the stock. If you look in the chart formation now, we're going to look into the technical analysis, technical side of that. We look this 149%. We did take 58% profit out of that, closed half of our position, and now we have recently, like last week, we increased our position as soon as the stock has reached technically discounted price just under the SMA 40, because if you look at here, there was a clear breakout of the downside. The downtrend has broke out, and now it's trading at the bullish side of the SMA 250, which is exactly where we want to be looking at, where we want to be holding stock at the bullish side. If you don't know what the bullish side means, it's the top side of the lines, rather than be trading at the bottom, how I was trading right here for almost 2 years. So essentially what I'm looking here is a potential breakout towards 70 cents. Potentially we will see this green candle on the Heikin Ash has confirmed that we look into a buyers popping in, finding value around 50 cents, and we will have, if tomorrow is green again, we will have what we call bullish intersection bullish intersection level 2, which essentially means the green candle will be crossing the yellow line once again, which the yellow line is one of our indicators, EMA 9. If you're interested in doing our course, you will know exactly why this is such important KPI for us. The RSI as well looks still confirming a bullish movement, which I was expecting to bounce back just under 50 cents, and thankfully it actually did, and looks very promising at the moment. Okay, there is a strong hypothetical support around 45 cents, but it appears that buyers starts pumping the stock once again. Still a lot of convertible notes, but even though it looks like there are buyers pushing the price up regardless. Regarding the macroeconomics, the big fall down over the last week was the CPI in US, came higher than expected, also in Europe and also in Australia. But let's face it, we're talking about December. December is always a very, very busy time. People spending quite a lot. So we want to have the true figure in January inflation, because that's when people stop spending money. And I honestly don't think this is this higher than expected inflation in US will be enough. If it comes down again, I don't think this December inflation will be enough for the Fed to reveal its view of not, or maybe holding back its rates. I think it's still going to be cut in the first half of the year. Whether it's going to be March, April, May, I don't know, could be even in June. But remember, the market looked forward to what's going to happen within 6 to 12 months, and that's why we are strongly positioned on this particular type of company. We did also trade Sezzle incredibly well, over 100% as well. And look, for some reason we managed to do huge trades just with those type of stocks. And then many other stocks just doing 20 to 40%, which is the average for BGS 20 strategy. If you want to take a look on some of our results, just jump into our community. So real results from real trades with print screen from our bank account, so you can see exactly the results. It's not a made up result, and we're very pleased with our results and our VIP members as well. So overall, outlook for ZIP is positive. We are positive for ZIP, and we're going to keep holding our position, keep trading half. Potentially when it reaches our BGS 20 target, maybe around 70 cents, we reduce our position and try buy it again, and profit as well, not just from the rally, but from buying more units, sparing some cash. Same type of strategy that I spoke in my last video when you shorting the market via BBOs, for example. So it's pretty much the same strategy. So wait and buy more units at a lower price, spare some cash. That's kind of a profitable transaction as well, and then keep riding its a potential rally. Okay, but remember, there's no guarantees in the market, so this is still a highly speculative stock. Obviously is a company that has a solid business, has been successful with the business, has been improving its fundamentals, and then even though it's a risky and speculative stock, it offers far less risk than companies like Lake Resource, for example. There is not even producing, or many other of those lithium stocks, or any company that doesn't generate revenue or any improvement on its net loss position, or having any perspective to become a net profitable at some stage. Okay, if we have maybe 2 or 3 more quarters, I will be able to actually project how long it's gonna take for ZIP to actually become net profitable, if the company obviously not starts sort of spending money with some further acquisition or R&D, sort of speaking. But I'm confident with this. Hopefully we get there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.